What is the Administrative Procedure Act, and how does it work? Imagine a government agency tasked with creating rules that affect millions of people and businesses. How do these rules come into existence, and how can they be challenged or changed? Understanding the process behind administrative rulemaking is essential to grasp how government agencies operate and how the public can participate. The Administrative Procedure Act is a United States federal law enacted in 1946 to establish uniform standards for how federal agencies develop and implement regulations. Its primary purpose is to ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability in administrative decision-making. The law applies to agencies such as the Environmental Protection Agency, the Department of Transportation, and the Food and Drug Administration. The Act sets out specific procedures that agencies must follow when creating new regulations or modifying existing ones. First, agencies are generally required to publish a notice of proposed rulemaking in the Federal Register, which is the official journal of the federal government. This notice includes a detailed explanation of the proposed rule, its purpose, and how the public can submit comments or objections. This step allows for public participation and input before a rule becomes final. After receiving public comments, agencies review the feedback and may revise their proposals accordingly. Once they finalize a regulation, they publish the final rule in the Federal Register along with an explanation of how they addressed public concerns. This process ensures transparency and provides an opportunity for interested parties to influence regulatory decisions. The Administrative Procedure Act also establishes procedures for judicial review. If individuals or organizations believe a regulation was created improperly or violates legal standards, they can challenge it in court. Courts can then review whether the agency followed the required procedures and whether the regulation is consistent with statutory authority. In addition to rulemaking, the Act governs other agency actions such as adjudications and licensing. It emphasizes the importance of notice, opportunity for comment, and reasoned decision-making. Overall, the Administrative Procedure Act acts as a safeguard to balance governmental authority with public rights, ensuring that regulations are developed through a fair and transparent process.